So today I want to show you something that I do on accumulators to quickly double my money. So what you do is, let me first remove this Bollinger, delete. Okay, so this is what you find when you go to click Traders Hub, come to Deriv Trader, and then come to accumulators. By default, it's on accumulators. It's usually on 3% rate, but you can always change it to 5%. But no, as the more you come towards the growth rate, the narrower this gap, this blue gap becomes. So the riskier the trade. So you can just read here. Your stake will grow at 5% per tick as long as the current spot price remains within plus or minus 0.03438% from the previous spot price. So what I usually do is I come on indicators, I go to volatility, and I put Bollinger Bands. To know what Bollinger Bands are, Bollinger Bands can be used to measure the highness or lowness of the price relative to the previous trades. So what I do for me is I wait. I'm not going to put take profit. I'm just going to wait until it breaks the Bollinger Bands, and then I'm going to go for 3 ticks. So it's going to count 3 times only. So let's see. So remember, my SEG is growing at 5%. So let's wait. Let's just wait. I always say patience, brothers. So I'm going to show you. Just relax. Just relax. So just stay ready and just wait. Just wait. Just wait. So remember, this is the high, this is the low based on the Bollinger Bands. So it has broken. So we go for 3. 1, 2, 3, and we sell. So we've made 2 points. You see, it would have caught up with us. I've noticed mostly it doesn't go more than say 5 to 10 before it breaks again. So let's see. So just 3. We have a stake of 50, so it's growing at 5%. So let's see. So just wait for the break and then go 3. And sometimes there's a double break, so always know that. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So I'm just waiting for another break. Let's just wait. That's 1, 1, 2, 3. We sell. Just like that. So we have made $8. As simple as that. Let's wait for another break. So we wait for another break. Let's wait. Trading just needs patience. 1, 2, 3, sell. You see, that would have caught us. That would have caught us because I got in a bit late. So that's $10. Let's just give it time. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for the break. By the break, I mean you see it break like that. 1, 2, 3, sell. Like that. Don't be greedy. So we are at $13. So it's something that I noticed just from looking onto the market and just identifying what it especially is happening. So let's see. You see, like that would have been a double. Now we go. If you see a double, just go in 2, 3, sell. Ah, shit. I didn't want to sell. I didn't want to buy there. I just double clicked by mistake. So if you ever see a double, like it breaks and then breaks again, just go in. Just go in. So I just wanted to show you this so that you can be able to understand. And for those who do not understand accumulators, it's like when the market is accumulating, that is the best time to enter. That is when the market is just showing that there's like the up and down movement, creating higher low, or higher or is creating an up and down. That is the accumulation. That is what they try to mirror with this. So they do not put the candles here so that we don't get it easy, because you see only selected chart and time frame are available for this trade type. They don't allow us to have candles here, because if we had candles, it makes it easier to identify an accumulation, and you can overstay in the market and just keep going, and you can really hit them hard. So let's see, we can do 3 1 2 3. So just like that. So you have to be quick. Once it breaks, breaking is it goes above the Bollinger and then it shows red. Sometimes there is a double break, so that can catch you, but just be aware that you can be able to do that. And then, as I was saying, if we had candles on this, it would be very easy. Actually, I could try and open trading view. Let's see, because I've seen a few strategies that I'm thinking of. Yeah, this second one, trading view Deriv. Just write trading view Deriv instead of just trading view. So this is 24 hours. This is just changed to 1 minute, and then this we were on. Click on derived and come to 101s. Right. So anytime you see, let me show you something. And text, just click here. So anytime you see an accumulation, just know that's a good time to enter. But anytime there is, just 1 minute, anytime there is anytime there is something like this, just run. Don't go in, because in this the market will spike on one side. If it spikes on one side, you're fucked. They're just gonna eat your money alive. So you go try that, see if it can work. There are also indicators like ADX, average directional index, that I've seen people use. Let's delete this. So let's remove this. So I've seen people recommend that the market needs to be between, I think, 17 and 23. So if you see this is 17 and 23, you are good to enter the accumulators market. But I don't really trust the indicators a lot on this market. So I prefer just looking at it from here. If I'm looking at it from here, there are high chances that I know what's happening. But you could actually put the candlesticks on the left or split your screen and then just look at it here, because you see like right now it's just maintained at 15.41. So it means the market is just accumulating here. So yeah, it could be a good one to use, but I prefer just using the candlestick, like not the candlestick but the chart, just like I showed you. Yeah, smoothing of 14, DL visibility, no, this ADX smoothing 14, and the eye length of 14. So I prefer it to be like that. But like that if it breaks, that you just enter 3. If you went in for 3 there, you'd be good. So don't go more than 3, because remember, if you lose, you lose $50. If you win, yes, you're winning these small chunks. You can see we have gone for, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I think 8. And if you click on each of them, just click, you're gonna see after entry spot tick, your stake will grow continuously by 5% for every tick that the spot price, so long as the spot price remains at plus or minus 0.0 something there. So you can see the details here. So we stake 50, we make 52, not 52, but the profit is actually 2.50. That is why you're seeing it says plus 2.50 there. So I hope you guys keep trying and keep understanding what we are doing, because as I say, trading is a money making business. You make as much money as possible and then leave the rest to anyone else who wants to do anything else. For you, it's you're in trading to make money. Always remember that and put that in your head. You are in trading to make money. And always remember, for your deposits and withdrawals, you can use money.moneyagg.com. This is instant deposit, instant withdrawal for you. And if you ever face an issue, just reach out to our support number on WhatsApp, 92673 175. So there's always somebody on the line. Could be Bill, could be somebody else. Sometimes it's Anne, or sometimes it's Joan on the call. So I just reach out on WhatsApp and somebody is gonna assist you immediately if you face any issue. Thank you for your time, and I hope you go try the accumulators and make sure you win some money. Make some money, man, and enjoy the rest of your 2025.